What's going on, guys? I found out that I need a new clutch, so I have that on the way. And meanwhile, I decided to go pick up some polisher or wax or whatever this is. It's Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, and it's working out really well. The paint on this thing is really turning out, as you'll see. This thing was really faded. I really didn't care too much, but it's really turning out well, as you'll see. Anyways, guys, the clutch should be here tomorrow sometime, and then we can go ahead and resume doing the engine swap on this car.